Hey y'all, what's up? Thank y'all for coming, or thank you for coming back. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and click the bell so you can be notified every time I have a video come out.
Turn me up, Keno.
So in today's video, I'm gonna show y'all how I built the wall for the back of the bus. And it probably look easy or maybe look hard, but y'all see I got that thing flush. But that thing at the bottom of the bus is annoying, so I had to put a little slit in the 4x6, because those was 4x. Oh no, they was 4x4s. I'm sorry. But yeah, so first things first, not first things first. I don't know why I said that, but just secure the thing, get it secure. And I framed it up. As y'all can see on the left side, there was the wall framed up, but it wasn't as secure as this one. Y'all see, I'm up there. I'm doing some work. I'm doing some work. And you make sure it's in the ceiling. You make sure it's in the bottom. You just gotta make sure everything is secure. That one to the left, I didn't do it. I got a man to do it. And ladies, trust yourself. All the man don't know all the time. No, I ain't even gonna say they should. Anyways, trust yourself sometimes. Know when not to trust yourself too, though, because everybody ain't gonna be able to do this. But me, I was like, yeah, let me go ahead on and try this out, because I ain't want to wait for him to come. And I did it, okay? And the thing about it is, when you put stuff up, you gotta make sure everything is strong and in there. This stuff is on a bus, so this is gonna be moving. It's like a moving earthquake. Anytime I put screws in, I always drill a hole in there first and then put the screws in there. If I don't, the wood could like crack and break and stuff, and then it'll make it way harder. But y'all see, that stuff is in there. This is 150 pounds. It's like, okay, all right, 100 and about 15. It depends. Sometimes I be 120. But yeah, you gotta make sure that it's sturdy, okay? Because if it's not, it ain't gonna work. So then you make sure you align the ceiling so you can screw the walls. Everything has to be flush. You screw the wall. Y'all see that? And now this is when you do the walls. I did sheetrock. Now on the bus that I'm cutting it on, I've started to build that one already, and I did not use sheetrock. However, the old bus, sheetrock, because everything else is already sheetrock, so I might as well keep it. So yeah, I cut it on one bus, and then I went on ahead and took it on to the other bus. And y'all see how I got so close to that curve? Listen, that's skill, okay? That's skill. Nah, it's trial and error. It could be skill, but that's something that I ain't gonna really have. So this was trial and error. So after you put up the walls, then you gotta put the insulation on the other side, which I didn't show y'all about that. But yeah, and then, put the other piece up, which it was a little bit short, but y'all get the picture. You get the picture. See, insulation go in there, and then you put the other thing up. But yeah, if y'all want to see that bull crap being made, just let me know, because I have a video showing y'all. I end up fixing it though. You see I fixed it? Yeah, I don't have that video, I don't think. But yeah, just let me know if y'all want to see it. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. Thank y'all for watching.